Okay, bahlonishwa sanibona. Ngiphakathi la kwimoto eyokosami ezodlisa ngamapayipi GTI, Golf R, the Ford Focus RS, OST. No, it's not proven kwezinye imoto ukuthi izodlisa ngamapayipi, but ezintweni eziningi esitshelwe ngazo, I think ilapha among the top 3 emotweni ezoza ngcono kwi segment ye hatchback. So this is i30N, N for Namyang. Iphuma le eChina, siyazi ukuthi China siyazi njengendawo engakhonzile ukukhipha izinto ezilapha kwi quality, but this time I am telling you bakhiphile. Okay, umuntu go behind the name, the brand N is a guy bayibiza ngo Albert, but Albert bana Bremen into njengale. Kuthiwa indoda akusebenza about 32 years lapha kwa BMW. Muzokhumbula ama BMWs from i30 to ama F80 yabo, ama M3s. Indoda le bi vice president yakhona, so yasiqashwa ngapha kwa Hyundai ukuthi izosebenza khona, izoba i deputy president yakhona. So you can see ukuthi le moto is fully equipped with the BMW DNA. Siyazi ukuthi BMW wenzana kwi Mini Cooper, ngithi siyazi ukuthi Mini Cooper were just an ordinary car, and kwasefika BMW asuthi we tweak and saqala sasesinika that yebo lele gama lokuthi one among the greatest. So le moto imoto ine leather seat, ine badge la khona with N badge, la mufuna say yeah mafuna ubeka ingalo yami kahle, ngibeka nginankinga. Gearbox 6 manual gearbox. Unfortunately abanayo automatic gearbox. Yeah, sizobuya size lokho, but they are implementing bacabanga ukuthi maybe from next year, sorry about this, next year bazoyifaka 8-speed gearbox, I think basho njalo. So phinde kube la steering ngicabanga ukuthi uyabona, there is drive modes. You can do include connectivity of course. Lana ushintsha ama drive mode, ama settings akho, nama settings amaningana, khona eco mode, khona normal mode, khona N mode, bese ba nokusebenza njengo N plus mode. Lapho ke for mufuna ukuyithatha uyifaka kwi track ngoba it's track legal. Ngisazokutshengisa lapha ngemuva in electric differential for ama handling kuya especially kuma corners, ngoba siyazi ukuthi M3 nangathi M3 BMW even it comes to handling. So they did that mangisizwa lapha kwa Green Hill. They tested about 490 times so that they may improve their handling. Masbuka la it's a place where you charge your cell phone. Umuphatha iPhone, umuphatha Android, you charge la in a USB port, no auxiliary. That's where you're gonna do your charging. And it supports again wireless charging. Umuphatha le phone engana wireless ungayihluphi wena nje uyocela kakhulu la charging cable yakho noma u charging ngale charger yakho na le yemoto. I think it's got airbags. We have airbag, here airbag, the passenger in the airbag yalo, amanye airbag angikho sure. La siyavula your place where you gonna also beka khona izinto zakho, which is nice. What else? for umuntu njengami decently yabona even like khanda phezulu yabo kune spaces right in a panoramic sunroof uyayitilta uyayivula ivula yonke which is nice. Okuhle ngale moto ukuthi ke ifika iphelele ayidingi ukuthi uzu add lutho fika nje iphelele ngemuva ineshama bazenzele izinto zabo sazophuma ngaphandle ileather abayanga kwa Ricardo bayifakela kwaba masithi which is a nice yabo akubamba kamnandi for abantu yabo abanje ngathi yabo ungena nje uthi vosho kamnandi lapha ya so nje yeah that's basically it yabo nje la nala ngisakutshengisa ngemototo la uyakwazi inkomeshi yakho la angazi inkomeshi njani uyakhipha kodwa bo ngazi yesray kahle kahle oh yeah for legenge le enoshemula yeah ebema yeah nesray kuzungangcolisi kusami bakithi yeah lapha bathi as much as it's a sport car but uyakwazi ukuthi we drive as a normal car 2-liter normal car ube charge like a liter 7 100 kilometers, so which is good because it's not always about ukuthi you gonna put it with sport plus mode yakona busu shark petrol yakwazi nje ukuthi save petrol uyifake nje ku normal mode izo drive as a normal 2-liter. Nice one bese siyangemuva wow. For someone omude njengami I think decent ngithe ukuthi uyihlehlisa ke isitulo muzobukusisa kahle ejabo la size savela ngemuva yabo so la sithe ukuhlehla kancane ngenxa ukuthi bengifuna ukuvidorize kahle but leg room yakhona indawo yokuhlala ngemuva i-right still naphezulu yabo siyangena isandla yeah siyayihambela isandla nje so decent leg room comfortable, yes, very comfortable. Yeah, amasondweni ke bafake Pirelli 19-inch. They all come standard. Brake nakhona bayanga go Ferroto, they have their own brakes. More like concerning about iphakathi like I know you're gonna complain ukuthi iyabiza vele nayishipile kodwa ke akamani imoto inhle, if you can afford it ungayithenga. As ngichazile panoramic sunroof which can go all the way to lapha, ne spoiler for it downforce. Anti sikhuluma ngemoto ene-DNA performance, of course, with your i30N badge for Namyang. Yes. Ngemuva a decent boot space, enough ukuthi ungafaka noma yini. This is that electrical differential bengisho ngawo for emakhoneni ukuthi handle kahle emakhoneni. So ngeke uzokuthola kwenye indawo ukuthola kuphela la ngaphansi na esazi leso sibelekile. So esinga of course la ngemuva you have your 12-volt charging socket if in case you want to keep your things charged at the back. Yeah, decent. La ngemuva you have your reverse camera. I hope it's 3D. Nice detailing ngemuva. Well, I can say I'm a bit disappointed. No plastic low, but anyways, these are decent tailpipes, guys. They're not fake. Yeah, with their say diffuser. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's just all cameras are standard bafowethu. There's a shilo, massive 19-inch wheel. It comes with the colors amaningi passenger. Ufaka inkomishi zakho la noma yena ufuna ukufaka electric windows, of course. Ama seats are all adjustable, electrically warm. Ayakwazi ukufudumala, heated seats, and kanjani steering naso siyakwazi si heated naso as well. Angazi bese ke bro. Lapha kwenza khona ubulungiso obuningi. Engine 2-liter turbocharged 3.6, producing battery 353 kilowatts Newton meter. Speed with a proven of 250 kilometers per hour. One such as still one hour change there. Yeah, you just ibuke already is number first. So top of the range, sport all the way. Top of the range, actually lutho konke qhamuka standard, awuedi lutho konke efika sokukhona. So nje uma une GTI walizobhinqala nganxanye, I'm sorry, lento emgwaqeni ifast iyashesha. If unembuzo malana nemoto, you are free ukuthi uxhumane nami, mina ngizokutshela ukufanele ukwazi. Madam, mhlawumbe yini onye ongafuni ukutshela abathengi bakho ngalana nale moto?
Into engingabatshela wona nje ukuthi it's one of the best sport cars at the moment on the road. It pushes 202 kilowatts at 350 Newton meter
of torque.
Yes.
Brake horsepower? I guess lidlule lokho ubona nje for umuntu one GTI yini engamenza ukuthi GTI yakhe azothatha le moto.
Uzofuna ukungophisa nje bese ngichazele nina ama kilowatts ne torque iqediwe indaba. That's the most important thing le moto.
Mhlawumbe gearbox lo oyishintsha wona singawulindela mhlawumbe.
Singawu-expect, but I don't want to give you a time frame ukuthi ngaba yini.
Kodwa wona niyawucabanga sendleleni.
Yes, yona ngizwile ukuthi kukhona ama-plans akhona.
4-wheel drive wona?
At the moment, no, I cannot confirm, but we sure about it too.
Yeah, ngoba abantu abaningi they complaining ukuthi for imoto that is 600k, ama pedal shift ongenani yabo, mhlawumbe izinto njengalezo, automatic gearbox mhlawumbe uma ngasithuka kacaca uma sekuthiwa kunakho lo ngisho vele lapho we are challenge for GTI R lapho. Nibe uba vele already iGTI senibeke eceleni.
Yes.
Senibeke eceleni iGTI. Masilapho vele senithatha iR manje nibeke eceleni. Ngiyeza kuthiwa maningi ama N azayo mapha amanye ama N ezayo i20
mfethu njengamanje sine Tucson N
le lapha ngaphandle
then kuzoba ile
hayi ukuthi ikhichiwe nge-N.
No.
It is an N.
It's a 2-liter engine N Sport.
How? Okay, sizoyenza na besiyitshena ukuthi mhlawumbe njengale i20 ifike ngo2017 mhlawumbe ukuthi bayifaka nje unamyanga ngaphandle.
No, it's an inline derogative as well.
Ake sibonga. Ushuthi bazothintana nawe eChangawizi bafowethu, eChangawizi ilapha nifike nifune uNelson, lapho uzothatha nibeke yona moto bafowethu le bengizothi nje ngizonitshengisa bafowethu ukuthi ama GTI enu asene moto ethatha abeke eceleni. Cha ngiyazi ukuthi lokho anizokuthanda kodwa ke kuyiqiniso engeze ukuphika bafowethu. Screen yonke into la emotweni comes as standard. Uma unombuzo ofuna ukubuza xhumana nami or else ubuze lapha kuma comment below on my Facebook, on my YouTube channel. And okugcina sivala, don't forget to subscribe. Kodwa ngiyawadinga ama subscription. Jali nale button lapha, hit subscribe, leave your comments below, and please at least mangafika ku 10,000 subscribers yabo. Uma kunento oyifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo, obviously allowed ukuthi usho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi yiphi imoto ufuna ukuthi siyenze, and ngizoyenza without any hassles. But le yami yonke into oyidingayo sports, mufuna ubuhle, mufuna ubuhle bemoto, this is your car. Mufuna imoto enhle, got the looks, this is your car. Handling, definitely your car. Aerodynamics, definitely your car. Well, mhlawumbe we price yeah, mhlawumbe yabona if you can afford. Phela ngithi now yazi ukuthi yeah, if ufike endaweni ngeke kuba kuhle konke, mhlawumbe well we price yeah, kodwa we price mhlawumbe next time kuzoba ne automatic gearbox then. But yonke, if it wasn't for the price and maybe for abantu abalezi abangafuna ukudrive, because come on, even the BMW has resorted back to manual driving. Sonke sibuyela kuma-gear lever njengamanje, sifuna ukushintsha, we have to feel the car, you know. Yabona abantu abalezi laba, come on, bonke abama-race drivers, you know, it's only F1 drivers, you know, la driver lokhu ungadrive emgwaqweni. But for someone odriver kulo yamgwaqo lo yamgwaqo lo, you need to feel the driving. You have to be in control of the car. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. This is your car. This is your i30, and it's gonna give you everything you want on the road. Performance, handling, spot on, everything. Don't forget, subscribe. This is your boy Tulani Michael Samuel, and we'll check again. Oh, next time we'll be doing the Tyson lapha ngaphandle. I hear ukuthi kune Hyundai Tyson nayo, it's an N series, so yona soyenza. But ke your Toyotas I'll do hopefully VW Golf GTI 2020, just to see wona ukuthi izela nani, because ngiyazi ukuthi nabantu loyal ku GTI, even noma senishawe ngoswazi omncane anandaba, you just want to go back to your GTIs. So fine, qhubana no GTI ben, but this one izondlisa ama pipe. Peace out.